Brian, I've decided to become a computational mastermind. Victory is mine. But first, explain this stack thing in DSA. Why does everyone act like it's some sacred scroll?
It's not sacred, it's just useful. A stack is a data structure that follows LIFO. Last in, first out. Like when you pile up books and grab the top one first. I'm a writer, you know, and even I can appreciate that kind of narrative structure.
LIFO. Yes, like my list of grudges. The most recent insult goes to the top. So what are the fancy operations people keep babbling about?
The core ones are push, pop, and peek. Push adds an element to the top. Pop removes and returns the top. Peek looks at the top without removing it. Then you've got checks like ISAV and sometimes size.
What the deuce? That's it? Ha! Where's the drama? Where's the twist?
The twist is what it enables. Think undo in an editor. Every change gets pushed, and undo pops the last action. Or the call stack when functions call other functions. Each call pushes a frame, returning pops it.
So if I call insult Lois, then call runaway, then call pretend innocence, the last performance is the first to get resolved? Fascinating. Damn you, vile woman. Sorry, muscle memory.
Also, stacks help with parsing expressions, matching parentheses, and depth-first search. They're simple, but they show up everywhere.
But why choose a stack over a queue? Besides the obvious moral superiority.
Because you want the most recent thing first. A queue is FIFO, first in, first out, like a line. The real question is, what kind of problem are you modeling? Is recency more important than fairness?
And implementation. Shall I use an array or a linked list, Brian?
Either works. Arrays are fast and cache-friendly, but resizing can be a concern. Linked lists avoid resizing, but they add pointer overhead. What trade-off matters more, predictable memory or raw speed?
If a pop happens on an empty stack, do I get an error or do I get existential despair?
Usually an error or an exception. But philosophically, maybe both. So, Stewie, what would you build with a stack if you had to prove you actually understand it?